a cardboard and mark it with the given measurements and fold. The cardboard I used has some glittery design, but you can also use the plain one. Draw a curved lines to add design on the card and cut. And this is how the base will look like. Now we're about to start making the inner part. Again, get a cardboard with these measurements and fold. Add some white touch on its border so that it will still be visible when we put it on the card. After cutting, we're now going to put it on the card using a glue. Then we will make another one for the center. These are the measurements for the next one. Cut the corners and put some red paper on its bottom. It is now ready and we will finally put it on the card. Get some stationery papers to add design on the card. Cut 4 pieces of this size. Put some double-sided tape on its back and attach it on a vellum board. Cut a sheet of black cardboard. Its width should be 2.2 inches long. Fold it in half and mark ½ inch 4 times. Using a cutter or a scoring tool, gently trace the lines but do not mean to cut it. Fold each lines and begin to paste the papers in each section. Repeat the process until the last paper. Mark ½ inch on the cardboard from the edge of the last paper. Get a ½ inch strip of a cardboard and attach it on the part we cut. To lock it, flip it around and paste the end of the strip on the end of one another. I prefer silver tape on the bottom cardboard, and it will serve as the handle. Now, cut the excess. Add heart on the handle. Make sure to put the double-sided tape only on the half part of the heart and align it only on the handle. We will only stick the cardboard strip on the card so that it will roll over. Since the other half is white, we will cover it with black. We will now make another design for the inner part of the first layer. Using a white paper, we will make 7 pieces of flowers. To add more look on it, use a red sign pen and draw lines from the center up to each petal. Repeat the process within the 6 petals. This is what you're going to do with the 2 remaining white petals. Cut one of the white petal. Put a glue on the other one and attach the petals together. Get one and put a glue on these parts. Repeat the process on the other side. Set it aside for a few minutes and wait for it to stick well. While waiting, get another cardboard and apply these measurements. Put some double-sided tapes on the sides. Place it on the inner part of the center section and it will look like a pocket. Now let's make a card for it. Some red ribbon on the punched part of the card. Get a red paper of this size and attach it on the card for a space for a message. And this is how it looks like when it's on the packet. Add some felt cloth to add texture on the card and put some design on it. And we're done with the first part of this tutorial. Hope you like this video and wait for the part 2. Thank you for watching!